Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today 20th June Saturday, so we'll discuss for how to trade on Monday, that is 22nd June. We select some stocks and we'll have a trade plan for that. The first stock is Reliance Industries, then Bajaj Finserv, Godrej Consumer Products and Indiabulls Housing Finance. These four stocks we will discuss how to trade on Monday. I repeat once again: Bajaj Finserv, Reliance Industries and Godrej Consumer Products, and another is Indiabulls Housing Finance. These four shares we'll see now. First we'll go with Reliance Industries. Decent rally yesterday, that is Friday. This is the decent rally, given a decent breakout. In my previous video also I explained with Reliance, this is the key level to watch out. This level tested 1, 2, 3. So what happened? This is the important thing, is the price closed higher edge of the zone and next day it closed almost higher edge, and this is the candle, a bullish candle itself, and then given a breakout and closed above the zone. This is the signal we have to act for buying. So next day, decent rally. The zone should close above. The price should close above the zone. So this is the breakout. Decent breakout and went all the way 1700 and what is the highest yesterday? It is 1788 is the high. So intraday it closed and closing price is 1759. 1760. So now how to trade on Monday and also positional, right? So if you see, this is the decent rally, correction, again rally, tested and drop and rally. So if you see the Fibonacci extension of this rally, so from here a rally, drop and rally, right? So here the levels 61.8% tested here but closed below. Again next day also it tested and closed below. So this is the signal, closed above this level. So after closing this level, the target should be this and this. 138.2% is the next target for Reliance Industries for a small time, maybe 1 or 2 days or 1 week. But in a higher time frame, there is a probability of testing this level 1864 on a positional basis. Maybe 15 days or maybe 1 month, we don't know, but on a positional basis we can hold this until the price reaches this. We can wait. Only on the downside risk is only if the price closed below this zone, then only we can expect the price to fall. That is 1600 is the level, right? So how to trade on Monday? So we had to see some correction, intraday correction, and then we can trade. The correction may be here. This is the total day, right? Sorry. See, this is the rally, drop, rally, a small base and then rally. So if on Monday, if the price comes to a retracement level of this 1697, 50% retracement of this one, and 61% is 1676. In this particular zone 1697 and 1680, if the price comes to this zone, that is the buying opportunity, keeping a stop loss below low of the Monday, low of the Friday. So the entry should be like this. Somewhere we can buy here. So, and keep a stop below this candle low, and the target for intraday is 1745. Because this is a decent rally, there may be some choppiness on Monday, so that choppiness may be utilized as a profit taking. So intraday this one. If you want to have a positional trade, you can buy somewhere this area only, around 1685 kind of levels, and keep a stop loss below 1600, near about 80 rupees stop loss on a positional basis, and aim for a target of 1864 and maybe higher also. So but target should be around this area. So that way you can trade positional trade on Reliance Industries. The another stock is Bajaj Finserv. See, this stock has given a breakout on Friday. So this is the breakout level with a good volume. This is the range. So 4915 5540 is the range. It has given a decent range breakout. So on a positional basis also we can buy and hold, keeping a stop loss below 4915. The positional target we can see as a retracement. The entire fall, this is the low and this is the high. So first target is 6217, the 6900 is the main next positional target. So one can hold and buy somewhere here around 5540. Sorry, it closed at 58.99, right? So we have to see any correction, we can buy it and keep a target of 6900 in coming days. For intraday, we'll see on a 15 minutes chart where we have to buy for Monday. So this is the 15 minutes chart. This is the breakout level. So what happened on Friday? It given a breakout and retested the breakout level and given again upside, small correction and rally. So this breakout is a buying opportunity. So our entry will be around 5705 kind of levels, and keeping a stop below this level and aim for a target of almost today Friday close. So this way we can trade only on Monday, but a positional trader can enter somewhere here at 5700 or 5750 kind of levels and aim for a target of 6900 on a positional basis. This is Bajaj Finserv. Another one is Indiabull Housing Finance. Friends, this is Indiabull Housing Finance. If you see the daily chart, see this is the consolidation area, and this is the consolidation. Okay, and if you see this one, triangle breakout, right? So it has given a triangle breakout and also range breakout, and also one more important, the gap area here that filled and closed above the gap. So the bullishness may continue till 230 kind of levels, another 30-35 rupees of upside probability. So one can initiate a long position for a target of 230 to 35 kind of levels. So for a Monday intraday trade, we'll see now. So this is the Friday rally, decent rally. Some here small base. This base area, if the price comes to this area, that is the intraday buying opportunity. So this area. So entry is here, somewhere here. Okay, we can keep in between this and keeping a stop loss of strict stop loss of 5 rupees and aim for a target of this candle, the low of this candle. So this way you can trade on Monday. For positional trading also, you buy any dip comes intraday and hold for a target. And for positional target, positional trading, we should keep a stop loss below the low of this candle. Low of this candle is 156, and the target is somewhere here. So 235 to 40 kind of levels. So another stock is Godrej Consumer Products. Godrej CP, right? So Godrej CP. Yeah. This is Godrej CP. If you see, this is the daily chart. Right. So this is the rally. Drop, again the rally. If this rally continues, there is a probability of testing this level and this level. So we'll see, this is the supply. There is a probability of testing this supply area, and if the price closed above this supply, that's 677, then next target is 710 and 784. So the probability of testing this is very high, around 770 kind of levels on a positional basis, not for intraday. So how to trade intraday? Any intraday dip can be bought. So this is the 15 minutes candlestick chart for Godrej Consumer Products. So on Monday, if the price comes to this area where we can buy, so 642, 643 is the entry. So maybe somewhere here we can enter. If the price comes to this area only, we can enter, keeping a stop below here 2 rupees 60 paisa, and a small target we can take somewhere here. So 2 rupees 50 paisa stop loss and 5 rupees target. 1:2 risk to reward. So we discussed about 4 stocks: Reliance Industries, Bajaj Finance, Godrej CP and Indiabulls Housing Finance. How to trade on Monday and also the positional for few days. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.